In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Sony MHC V13 party speaker. It's actually really simple and doesn't take much effort at all. So, if you're having issues with your speaker or just want to restore it to factory settings, here's what you need to do. First things first, unplug the speaker from the power source. Once it's completely disconnected, go ahead and plug it back in. You'll need the speaker to be powered on for the next steps, so make sure it's connected to a working outlet. Next, you'll need to locate the Fiesta button and the guitar button on the speaker. These are the two buttons that you'll be using for the reset process. Once you've found them, you'll need to press and hold both buttons at the same time. It's important to hold them down long enough for the speaker to recognize the command. When you hold them, you should see the indicator light flash on the speaker. Once that happens, the display on the speaker will show the word reset. This means that the reset process is underway, and your speaker is being restored to its original factory settings. Once the reset is complete, your speaker will go back to its default settings. All of your custom settings and adjustments will be erased. So keep that in mind if you've personalized your speaker before. After the reset, you can turn the speaker off and then back on to start fresh. It should work just like it did when you first got it.